Hello students, welcome back. Let's take a look at the sixth question of exercise 13.5 of chapter 13, a very important question related to your exams. So let's read out the given and what we need to find and understand this sum before we actually solve it. It states that a village has a population of 4,000 people. Water consumption is 150 liters, this is 150 liters per day per person. Now a tank has the following dimensions: 20 meters into 15 meters into 6 meters. So this is going to be the length, breadth and height. These are the dimensions of your tank. You need to find the number of days the water in this tank will last. So when you talk about water into, or let's say air or some solid into some utensil, the water, that is the matter that is there inside it, in this case water, it will always be the volume, right? So the amount of water that is filled in the tank is the volume. So what we are going to do is first find the volume of the tank, which will give us the amount of water that is present. So how do we find the volume? First using these dimensions. But here the volume would be in cubic meters. And what is the consumption? The consumption is given in liters, right? So we will convert the volume into liters and solve the question further. Let's see how. Let us first go ahead step by step and find the volume first. So I'll say solution. Amount of water in tank is equal to volume of tank, right? Therefore, volume of tank is length into breadth into height, which is 20 into 15 into 6. So 2 into 15 is 30 and another 0, so 300 into 6 would be 1800, right? 300 into 6 will give you 1800. So you have 1800 meter cube. This is the amount of water. So volume of tank is 1800 meter cubes. We are now going to convert this value into liters by using unitary method. We know that volume in liters and volume in meter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Therefore 1800 meter cubes is going to be how many liters? It's going to be x is equal to 1800 into 1000. So this is going to be 18, 5 times 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is in liters. So what is x? X is the volume of tank, which is the amount of water in tank. So I'll say amount of water in tank is 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 18 lakh liters, right? Now we have found the volume. We need to find the consumption, how many days that this amount of water is going to last. Now the water consumption is 150 liters per day per person. And how many people are there? There are 4,000 people. So 4,000 into 150 will give you the total consumption per day. Let's find out this value. Now total consumption. So I'm just going to draw a curvy line out here. Total consumption of water per day for 4,000 people is equal to 4,000 into 150, right? So this is going to be, let's just leave this as it is. This is going to be liters. I'm leaving this value as it is for now because we have further calculation left. Let's mark this as 1, this as 2. So we have the total consumption for one day and the amount of water in the tank. Using unitary method, we can simply find the number of days this amount of water will last. So I'm going to say number of days and water required or water consumption in liters, right? So In one day, the amount of water that is consumed is 4000 into 150. So for how many days will this amount of water last? So this is 18 and 5 times 0. When you cross multiply, what do you get? X into 4000 into 150 is equal to 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, X is equal to 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upon 4000 into 150. So let's cancel out the zeros first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are we left with? So 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18 and 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 45s are 90, then 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So X is equal to 3 what? Days. So the amount of water in tank that we have, that is 18 lakh liters, would last for 3 days amongst a population of 4000 people, where the water consumption is 150 liters per day per person. So finally we will write our answer. The water in the tank will last for 3 days. So very important question. Please take a look and take down notes. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.